If you're over 60, you've probably heard that walking is the best exercise. But I'm here to tell you what orthopedic surgeons are now saying. For our age group, walking alone is simply not enough anymore. Now, don't get me wrong, walking is incredibly healthy and you should keep doing it. But it doesn't stop the muscle loss, the balance decline, or the joint weakness that happens naturally as we get older. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what you must do instead to keep your body strong, prevent falls, and stay active for decades to come. Here's the honest truth. After we turn 60, we can lose 3 to 5% of our muscle mass every single year. This happens especially in our legs, hips, and core. Walking is great cardio, but it really only works one part of your body. It doesn't rebuild the muscle you've lost, it doesn't protect your joints, and it doesn't improve your balance. On top of that, it can't fight off conditions like osteoporosis or arthritis on its own. So, if you're walking every day but you're still feeling things like knee pain, weak legs, stiff hips, a loss of balance, or you just feel like you're moving slower, then your body is sending you a clear signal. It's telling you that you need more than just walking, so what should you do instead? Here are 3 simple, surgeon-approved fixes you can start today. First and most importantly is strength training. This is the number 1 fix. Strength training is truly the best anti-aging medicine there is. And no, you absolutely do not need to go to a gym or lift heavy weights. You can get incredible benefits right at home. Just try these simple exercises. First, the sit to stand. Just sit in a sturdy chair and stand up, then slowly sit back down. Do this a few times. Next, try wall push-ups. Stand facing the wall, place your hands on it, and gently push yourself back and forth. You can also use light resistance bands for simple leg and arm exercises. And finally, step-ups. Use a low, stable step and step up and down. The benefits here are huge. You'll rebuild muscle, fix those weak legs, protect your knees and hips, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall mobility. And the best part? Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is all it takes to make a real difference. The second fix is balance training. Did you know that most falls in seniors aren't because of weak bones, but because of poor balance? Improving your balance is crucial. Here are a few things you can do every day. First, try standing on one leg. Make sure you're holding onto a sturdy chair or a countertop for support. Just hold it for a few seconds on each leg. Next, try heel-to-toe walking, like you're walking on a tightrope. And you can also do simple side-to-side steps. These exercises help prevent falls, strengthen your nervous system, improve coordination, and keep your legs stable. Just 2 minutes a day of these simple moves can completely transform your confidence. The third and final fix is a joint mobility routine. Think of mobility as oiling your joints. It's what keeps them moving smoothly and prevents that awful stiffness. Here's a quick routine you can try. Start with some simple ankle circles, both clockwise and counterclockwise. Then do some gentle hip rotations, making big, slow circles with your hips. You can also do knee lifts, bringing one knee up towards your chest at a time. And don't forget your upper body, do some arm and shoulder rolls. The benefits are incredible. You'll reduce joint pain, improve your walking power, prevent arthritis stiffness, and increase your overall range of motion. For the best results, try doing this routine right before or after your daily walk. So let's recap. Remember, walking is good. We want to keep walking. But walking plus strength, balance, and mobility is what truly keeps you strong, healthy, and independent after 60. I challenge you to try these 3 things every day for the next 30 days. I promise you will feel a difference. You'll notice stronger legs, better balance, less pain, more energy, and a renewed sense of independence in your daily life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like this video, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe for more senior health tips.